Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi receiver in your PC. Many desktop computers don't come with built-in wireless capabilities, but adding a receiver is a straightforward process. We'll cover everything from choosing the right device to getting connected to your home network. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to bring wireless internet to your desktop, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of a cable-free setup. Let's get started. Choosing the correct Wi-Fi receiver is the first crucial step. You'll typically find two main types: USB adapters, which are plug-and-play, and PCIe cards, offering more robust performance for internal installation. Consider your computer's available ports and your desired internet speed. Look for features like dual-band support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, ensuring better compatibility and faster connections. Making an informed choice now will save you time and effort later. Once you have your receiver, installation is next. For a USB adapter, simply plug it into an available USB port. For a PCIe card, you'll need to open your computer case and insert it into an empty PCIe slot on your motherboard, securing it with a screw. After physical installation, you'll likely need to install drivers. Most modern operating systems will automatically detect and install them, but sometimes you might need to use a provided disk or download them from the manufacturer's website. This ensures your PC recognizes the new hardware. With your Wi-Fi receiver installed, you're ready to connect to a network. Open your computer's network settings, usually found in the system tray or control panel. You'll see a list of available wireless networks. Select your desired network, enter the password if prompted, and click Connect. If you encounter issues, double-check your password, ensure the receiver is properly installed, and consider restarting your computer or router. Soon, you'll be enjoying seamless wireless internet access on your desktop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.